got the dozer from RC 4-wheel drive. Arrived last night. Already put the saber tooth in it. Set up the controls a little bit. Slow down. Let's see what brakes on it first. I always like to see if they can crawl or not, if they can get up. Put it back up. Put the blade down. Turn up. Doubt it. A little more practice.